tough trucks. One Mack, revved up and ready to go. One rig, a wreck, unsteady and slow. Two trucks off to school for their first day of class. One riding the brakes, one hitting the gas. Vroom, zoom, a beep beep goodbye. A rig holding back, a Mack saying hi. Miss Rhodes said, "Good morning. Let's head to the track." She put them in pairs, matching rig up with Mack. Each team will attempt every task on this list. The circuit, let's do this! Watch out for the twist! Vroom, zoom, a wobble and whir, a shaky blue bob, and a speedy red blur. One Mack, one rig, one very sharp turn. Let's roar it and floor it! Burn, baby, burn! Oh no, hit the brakes! We won't make it, Rig cried. But Mack sped ahead. Just tug the inside! Vroom, zoom! A swish and a swerve. Rig skidded out, but Mack aced the curve. Miss Rhodes blew her horn, then she ran the next drill. Practice downshifting to get up that hill. They moved up the slope with a shift and a grind. This hill is too easy. Don't leave me behind. Vroom, zoom, their truck engine straining. A rig who was stalling, a Mack who kept gaining. One Mack reached the crest. I knew I was fast. One rig did his best, but finished dead last. Good grief, grumbled Mack. My partner's a drag. That hotshot, said Rig. He sure loves to brag. Vroom, fume! They vented and fussed. A Mack making tracks, a rig in the dust. It's time to go backward. The trucks got in gear. They all checked their mirrors and struggled to steer. They veered and corrected. They turned and reversed. Rig had good instincts, but Mack was the worst. Vroom, zoom, a whoosh and a whack, a confident Rig and a blundering Mack. I nailed it, said Rig as he finished the course. He turned just as Mack hit a cone at full force. Mack idled his engine. I quit. I can't do it. Steer left to go right. I'll help guide you through it. Vroom, zoom. They backtracked and bumped. A Mack making progress. A Rig feeling pumped. One Mack, one rig, two trucks side by side, weaving past cones. We did it, they cried. You really stuck by me. You needed me, Mack. Let's head back together to tackle that track. Vroom, zoom, they zipped around bends. Two tough trucks, now the fastest of friends.